Hello everyone. Sturgeon caviar is the most expensive fish roe in the world because of its rarity, excellent flavor, and high nutritional value. So, have you ever wondered how sturgeon farmers get their eggs? Is there anything special about the process of raising and harvesting sturgeon eggs that makes this dish have such a high price? Let's find out in the following video. And like common fish, sturgeon takes a very long time to start producing eggs, on average 8 to 20 years. If you see sturgeon sold in supermarkets or food stores, they are mostly immature male or female sturgeon. As for sturgeon fingerlings raised for eggs, it takes many years for them to be qualified to harvest quality sturgeon eggs. The following is the process of harvesting sturgeon eggs, using the classic method. First, people stun the sturgeon in ice-cold water, minimizing the fish's movement before taking the eggs, while the fish are unconscious. The worker will quickly kill them and treat the blood stains with water, pure clean. Then, the worker continues to make an incision along the fish's belly to remove the eggs. This step must be done immediately after the fish dies, to avoid the fish secreting substances that affect egg quality. Most fish species have 2 egg sacs. The egg sacs are cleaned, and the remaining fish are set aside to be harvested for meat, skin, and useful byproducts. Each egg sac, or skewer as salmon and trout are called, is sieved over a sieve or other mesh screen to separate the eggs from the membrane. These green eggs are washed and filtered a second time, then drained and set aside for weighing, salting, and grading. Currently, the method of harvesting sturgeon eggs by slaughter is quite popular, compared to the humane method of harvesting sturgeon eggs by slaughter for better egg quality, meeting the requirements of gourmets. Hopefully, one day soon, there will be a method to humanely harvest caviar with the same quality as classical caviar. Until then, the best thing we can do is ensure we are eating caviar from sustainable farms with a good reputation for sturgeon welfare. Azerbaijan Fish Farm specializes in the production and sale of black caviar under the brand name Baku Caviar. Absorb past scientific achievements and supplement them with modern technologies and world practices. Azerbaijan Farm has created perfect conditions that are close to the natural environment and create conditions for fish to grow and reproduce healthily. Combining past experience and current discoveries, the farm is revolutionizing methods of fish farming and processing as well as caviar production. soon.